Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be continuing our lesson about genes and their traits, and we're going to learn about mutation. Okay? Mutation is a change in the base pair sequence of a gene. Most mutations occur when the cell copies its DNA for cell division. When cell division is happening and the DNA is being copied, cell division is when one cell becomes two cells. Sometimes when this is happening, what happens is some mutation. It's like a change in the base pair sequence. It's like something went wrong. Mutation means something going wrong, something that's not supposed to happen. As DNA is copied, it may be added some base pairs. We said A, T, we have C and G. These two pair together, these two pair together. Now we said that these are the base pairs. As the DNA is copied, base pairs may be added, removed, or substituted. Let's see how down there. So this is the original sequence. Sometimes something wrong happened when it's being copied, and then it becomes mutated. That means something wrong happening with it. So A is substituted, which is substitution happening here. Let's look at it properly. Why is this substitution? Substitution means something substitutes something else, comes in its place. Now if we notice, this is the original and this is the mutated. If we notice DC, here it's the same, AT, CG. But look at this one. CG in here in the original sequence, CG was replaced by AT in the mutated sequence. So if you notice here in this one, you have substitution. CG, like here, C was removed and A came into its place. That's why T paired with the A. So there was substitution here. This was removed, this was added instead. So it was substituted. That means it came in its place. The second type of mutation, that's the first type. The second type is addition. If you notice here, so you have AT, this is supposed to be T, and then you have CG, and then you have AT, but you don't have it here. But then you notice you have CG. So like there wasn't substitution here, there was addition. How would you know? You add, you count them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs. So this one was added. This one is an addition that happened by mistake. So this mutation is called addition. And this mutation might cause a change in the body, might cause some type of change, like albinism, or we'll talk about that later. We'll talk about albinism later. I'm gonna show you some pictures during the lesson. But like something might happen to the organism. Like for example, if we go back, I'm gonna go back to the first part of the lesson. This is a mutation. Remember when we said that this is a mutation? This is a mutation. This something happened in the gene here. Let's go back. So something happened. It was either the gene was substituted, added, or there was removal in the base pairs in the base. And that's why the lobster came out blue, because something happened at the genetic level when the lobster was born. So when the cells were dividing. So we have here another type, third type that we didn't talk about, is the removal. So here, this is the original sequence, this is mutated. Look, we have AT, CG, and then look at this, G, but this one, which is here, is not here. It has been removed. We can add them up and see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. we have 9 base pairs here, but look here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 here. One from here, which is this one, was removed in the mutated one. So these are 3 types of mutations that might cause changes in the body of any organism. It could be a human being, it could be an animal, it could be an insect. Any type of mutation can happen that changes the way the body looks. Okay, you can find many types of mutation, and you can find a lot of types of mutation in human beings that you've seen before, and you know, you can look for examples to see types of mutation. Okay, so this happens at the genetic level, and it happens because a base has been changed in the DNA, okay, while the DNA was being copied. While the DNA was being copied, something was mutated and changed. Okay, so that's what you need to know for today.